FastMCP employs a decorator-based registration mechanism to transform ordinary Python functions into discoverable components within its modular architecture. The @tool decorator serves as a metadata annotation layer, enabling runtime introspection and automatic integration of functions into the framework's service registry without explicit server coupling. We are about to examine a minimal yet complete implementation of this pattern, where a standalone function receives the @tool annotation to become a registered service endpoint. The upcoming code demonstrates the decorator's application to a simple greeting function, illustrating how FastMCP's discovery system identifies and incorporates such components during initialization. #mcp/tools/greet. Hi. From FastMCP Tools import tool. @tool. Def greeting. SDR. Greet someone by name. Return hello name. This code demonstrates FastMCP3's filesystem-based tool discovery pattern using the @tool decorator. The greet function is a minimal tool implementation that takes a name parameter and returns a greeting string. The decorator registers this function as a tool in the MCP system, automatically using the function name as the tool name unless explicitly overridden. The pattern eliminates the need for manual tool registration by allowing the file system provider to scan directories and discover decorated functions at runtime. This approach decouples tool definitions from server configuration, enabling cleaner separation of concerns and easier maintenance. The trade-off is slightly reduced explicitness in tool registration, though the decorator syntax remains clear and declarative. For production use, this pattern works well when you want to organize tools in a modular directory structure without tight coupling to the server instance. The file system discovery mechanism handles all the registration boilerplate, while still supporting the full range of tool configuration options through decorator parameters. Let's break it down line by line. #mcp/tools/greet. Hi. From FastMCP Tools import tool. Imports the tool decorator from the FastMCP Tools module, which is used to define and register tools in the FastMCP framework. This decorator allows setting an explicit tool name or defaults to the function name if none is provided. @tool. Def greeting. SDR. Greet someone by name. Defines a tool function named greet that takes a string parameter name and returns a string. The decorator @tool marks this function as an MCP tool, and since no explicit name is provided via FastMCP plus name plus SDR, the tool will use the function name greet as its exposed name. The docstring indicates this function's purpose is to greet someone by name. Return hello name. Returns a formatted string that greets the user by name, interpolating the name variable into the hello name template. The F prefix indicates an F string, which evaluates the expression inside curly braces and substitutes the result into the string. If name is Alice, the output would be hello Alice. The @tool decorator transforms a simple Python function into a discoverable FastMCP component by embedding metadata that the framework's file system scanner picks up during initialization. By applying it to the greet function, we create a self-registering service endpoint without explicit server coupling. The decorator handles registration automatically, defaulting to the function name as the tool identifier while preserving the clean separation between tool definition and server configuration. This pattern trades some explicit registration clarity for significant maintainability gains, particularly in modular codebases where tools can be organized in dedicated directories. The implementation remains declarative through the decorator syntax while supporting the full discovery lifecycle, from file system scanning to runtime integration, all triggered by that single @tool annotation.
The @tool decorator swallows names whole, yet spits out greetings as if it had never forgotten.